Okay.
Yo guys, what's up? I'm gonna be making roast chicken with my brother.
Yeah, we're gonna cook up some chicken, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yo, where's my backpack? I had a lot of good loot
I
in
don't
that.
know.
I think yo, this one looks healthy. I didn't even hit you that hard. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, he's over exaggerating, bro.
For real. Alright, Nathan, pick him up. Yes, sir. I'm gonna eat that.
Here you go, my master. You shall taste the food. Does it taste good? I hope it's well cooked.
Poison.
Wait, it was undercooked?
Give me that frying pan. I order you to, or else you'll be fired. I am the cup cup kang palang di